Hello, hello. We are on part 6, and this is going to be a quick video under 5 minutes on comments. So what the comments are, if we went to our blog and scroll down, it is right here. So we have no comments, of course, but you can decide whether you want comments or whether you want to wait to approve them, and that is what I have always done. So if we click on comments here and we see publish, that means you publish them. There is going to be spam, but this awaiting moderation is the link that you want because it will help with spam. And if they're published, that means you read them and you think they're okay, so the comments are going to be there. In order to get this awaiting moderation, which I highly, highly recommend getting, people have no filter, they are tacky, they like to put their business link on your post because they think that's okay. I believe in karma, what goes around comes around, careful, careful. So you always want to moderate what is going to be on your blog. It is your blog, make sure you know what's on it. So in order to get this awaiting moderation, you're going to come down to settings and right here, post comments and sharing. This share at most means how many blog posts do you want until they go into the archives. I always choose 5. The reason is because I think that's far enough if people were going to scroll down. And on this side, it gives you the opportunity to add more links. When you're approved for Google AdSense, you can put them here. If you go and be an Amazon affiliate, you can add some links here. And as people are scrolling down, they're going to see all the different things that you have posted on this side. And I think 5 is more than enough, but you can add more if you want, or you can do it by days. So some people might have 7 days and they start a new week. It's entirely up to you. I choose 5. The post template, I don't do anything with it. If you want to read and learn more about it, you can do that by clicking learn more on the little check mark. Then the showcase image with lightbox is another one. It overlays on top of your blog with images. Don't like it, don't use it, but you can if you want. Just click on it, learn more how to do it. But I don't use it, so I would not be able to help you if you get stuck with it. So just remember that. This part, what I should say is I don't do anything with it. I just leave it check marked as yes. The comment location, I leave it just where it is here. Is this as well, because you can do full page, you can do a pop-up window, you can hide it. I leave it just where it is. Who can comment? Google has it set as user with a Google account. It's always good. This way you do have some information on there, especially if somebody leaves a thread or something, you know who they are. The comment moderator this is what I'm talking about. If you had it on never, it would look like this. If you had it on sometimes, then you can have like any post over a certain amount of days. I have it on always, and they'll ask you for your email address, and this is so you will get an email notification that you have a comment pending, and that's where you would find it when you click on the comments over here. And then you can put a comment, thank you for asking or taking the time to ask a question or comment. You don't have to have anything in here, and then you come to the top here and you click Save Settings. Then we would go over to comments here, and this awaiting moderation, your comments are all going to be here. You would just click on them. If you decided that you wanted to publish it, you would just click the little box next to it and click publish. If you wanted to delete it, you could delete it. If it's spam, where some tacky person puts their link on your blog, you can come over and click spam, and Google will make sure they can't do it again. So that is a very easy, quick video for comments. And again, you don't have to, if you never went over here and awaiting moderation, that means that the person that wrote whatever they wrote would never be published, and that's okay too. So you can leave it like this if you wanted to. The next video is going to be on scheduling your blog post. We talked about that previously as well. Sometimes you want to write 5 or 6 blog posts in a day, but you don't want them to all be published at once. There is a trick to this. Many people do not know this, and it will be our next video. So I will see you then.